everyone. Today is going to be our last exercise. We're going to do exercise 32, and this will be our last exercise on Photoshop. Next week, we're starting Illustrator. So for this one, I have provided an image for you on Blackboard. So let me just share that. You'll take the image and you're going to save this on your computer. So when you save it, you can save it as a PSD file, or it will automatically save as a PDF file by default. Okay. So when you go to Photoshop, you can just say open. Now you can also open it as a smart object. And I will take that. Okay, so we have our image. Of course, we have to check our image size. So let's just check the image size first. This is in inches. This is a little wider than our paper, and the height is 8.11. I will make it 7. And on my page, what I'm going to do is I'll open up a page that is landscape. So and the width is going to be fine. The height, we probably need to make it, let's make it 10. Okay, so this is going to be my page. We can make it bigger. Now we can take this, copy it, bring it here, and paste it. It's still a little bit big, so I'll go to Edit, Transform, and Scale, so I can scale this image. So this is our style. Now, when I create 3 different color ways, what I'm going to do is I'll go and select a portion of this. You don't have to select the entire shirt. You can select part of it, copy it, and then in a different layer, just paste it. Okay. And I will keep Command C or Control C. I'll copy it and then paste it again. And each time it's creating a separate layer, and then I'll paste it again. So we'll have 3 different color versions. So let's pull it up a little. Okay. And you can always adjust the sizes here. Now I do want to get a frame on this around here. And to do that, I will select this image and I'll go and let me see if I can stroke this with a black. Okay, this is a little too thick. So if you select that image, say stroke, just make it pixels. All right, I think that's good. And to be honest with you, I'm just going to delete all of these and copy this one, so we don't have to do the frame on each one. Okay, so we have our 3 outfits, 3 shirts ready. Now what I want to do is I don't want to change the color on the ruffles and the sleeves, that green color. We're going to keep that. We're going to change only that purple color here into a different color. So you're going to go to your eyedropper tool, go to purple, select the color, and then you're going to go to image. You're going to go to adjustments, and you're going to say replace color. Okay. So this is the purple that you're trying to replace. And you are going to replace it with whatever is showing here. So right now it's still purple. So you can change the hue and saturation. Ooh, actually, I didn't realize I was working on this layer. So make sure you're on your right layer. So I started with layer 3, that's fine. So let's just keep it at red, this color. We're gonna make this one red, okay? All right, now I'm going to my layer 2. I don't know which one layer 2 is, this one. Now we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to replace color. So go to adjustments, replace color. We had that color selected, so we're still here. So now I can play with this. Yeah, let's keep that. And then for this first layer here, I'm going to do the same thing. Replace color. Another thing you can do is you don't have to do the color change by using these bars. You can click on it and let's say select a yellow, for example, maybe a brighter one. But you can also do this and say okay. So now we have 3 different color versions, and there's the purple. We need to put our brand. We can put some information about the style. And if you like, we can put the Pantene codes here. Now, before you do that, though, I noticed the back of the shirt is still purple, so we have to fix that. So I'm going to take that purple. So I'm going to go to my eyedropper tool, and I'm on layer 1. So I'm going to pick that purple, and then I'm going to go to adjustments and replace that color too. And then I will change it to the yellow. So you can go on here and select that yellow, and it will automatically fix that. Okay. So we're doing the same thing here. We're going to go to, let's go to layer 2 first. Image, adjustments, replace color. And we're going to click on this, and we want to select this color, and it changes the back. Okay, and now we're going to change this purple into this red. So I'm on layer 3. I'm going to go to my image, adjustments, replace color, click on this, and then go to the red, click on it. The red is selected, it's selected here, say okay, okay. Now it has changed the back of this as well. So this is what you essentially need to do. Now I'm going to use my text and put my brand on here. So I'm going to call it Trail Designs. And for the color of this, what I can also do is maybe select this purple, the darker purple. Okay. And then I can select my font. We can also put some information because this was on the image, if you remember. So here they put a ruffle top style. Maybe you can put a style number. So let's do that. So we're also going to put some information about the style. So I'm going to come to the text from here. Let's say ruffle top. Of course, that doesn't need to be that big. We'll change the size of this to, okay, this is good. And now let's change the color of that to this color. Okay, and move it. And we say ruffle top. And we can also say style 2022. And so we have some information here. We can make the this one a little bigger, maybe. Okay. And now we can write the color names, or if the colors have a Pantone code, you can write that. So what I'm going to do is take text. I'm going to do, I'm not going to go vertical on my text. I'm going to go horizontal. And I'm going to write, I want the color names to be on the side vertically, but I don't want to write them vertically. So I'm going to write it horizontally and then flip them 90 degrees. So let's call this, first we have to reduce. Okay, I think that's a good size for this. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm doing. Let's call this yellow. Okay. And I think that's a good size. So what I'll do is go to transform and then rotate 90 degrees. Now I can just bring it here, and I want to make these in black. And copy paste this to put my other colors. So this green one, I am going to call it seaweed. And then I'll copy and paste it one more time. Burgundy. Okay. If you want to put a frame on this, you can do that, of course. So you can do it on here. You can select all and then go and do a stroke. 7 pixels. All right, so we have a frame, deselect. Okay, guys, this is it. Now you just have to save it. All right, so what we did here is create these snapshots of this outfit and created different color versions of this. We have done 32 exercises. I want you to create a Photoshop portfolio and include all of those exercises in there. So that will be your final assignment with Photoshop. Okay, I will see you guys in the next class.